Do high-end brands come with a guarantee of morality? Do employees on assembly lines and cornfields get paid more if you pay more for clothing? Cheap retailers are often portrayed as the industry's villains, accused of pushing down salaries and working conditions to sell products at meager rates. Buying high-end brands are sometimes recommended as an ethical choice, assuming that designer firms utilize their profit margins to support their employees. On the other hand, a hefty price tag is no guarantee of ethical behavior. Many people believe that luxury brands are superior to other brands, which is not always the case. This isn't to say you shouldn't spend on a designer name dress or high-end accessories, but it's always a good idea to do your homework before shopping. Hello there! Today we'll be looking at some of the biggest brands out there that aren't worth the numbers on the price tag. But before that, if you are new here, a sub to the channel will be highly appreciated. Turn on the ringer, leave a like and comment, and without further ado, let's see the brands you shouldn't try since they will dent your pocket for nothing. Number 10. Mikimoto. If you like pearls, you've undoubtedly heard of this high-end brand. Mikimoto pearls are often regarded as the greatest cultivated pearls money can buy, with even a basic strand costing thousands of dollars, but at the end of the day, they're just cultivated pearls, which means they're nothing near as uncommon as naturally produced and harvested pearls. Most people can't tell the difference between genuine and imitation pearls, so there's no point in spending a lot of money on them. Number 9. Coach. Coach, formerly regarded as one of the most popular handbag brands globally, has lately fallen out of favor due to far too many discounts, making them much too accessible to the considered exclusive. Coach is attempting to address this issue by adding even more costly bags to its already expensive collection and limiting online flash sales. While things are improving for the firm, Coach is no longer seen in the same light though. Number 8. Michael Kors. Michael Kors handbags were once highly wanted status symbols. Yes, they really were. But the MK bubble burst simultaneously as Coach's popularity started to dwindle. According to Business Insider, the brand's overexposure resulted in a significant drop in sales. Michael Kors established a ubiquity that was contrary to a premium cachet and harmed its capacity to bring forth fresh and intriguing items. Damn. According to Fortune, that is. The corporation is working to enhance its reputation, to portray itself as a luxury brand. Number 7. Prada. While Prada sells some high-quality items befitting a premium brand, several of their products are dubious at best. For example, there is no way in the world that a $170 paperclip is worth the money. Sure, it's made of sterling silver and it's marketed as a money clip, but if you have enough money to spend almost $200 on a money clip, you have too much money. The hefty price tag aligns with the firm's other exorbitantly expensive items. A handbag may cost hundreds of dollars. Number 6. Balenciaga. Balenciaga is another designer that enjoys taking common items, putting their twist on them, and then selling them at an exorbitant cost, as though possessing premium brands of everything is the most essential thing. They unveiled a $2,000 tote bag in 2017 that looks strikingly similar to the ones IKEA sells for $1. While the Balenciaga version replaced IKEA's recyclable plastic with leather, that's still a significant price difference, given how close they seem in actuality. If you don't want to spend so much money on a tote bag, Balenciaga offers this calfskin shopping bag that appears just like a paper shopping bag. Number 5. Rolex. Many people around the world would dream of having a Rolex watch to mark and show their social status. But have you thought if the brand is worth the money, will you invest? Another example of overhyped premium brand is Rolex. While the brand is well liked, its rise to prominence as a status symbol is relatively recent. Look to Rolex's main rival, Omega, for a beautiful and timeless timepiece. Omega, like Rolex, has been making Swiss-made watches for decades and is well known for a luxury watch brand. Number 4. Mary Kay. Since the 1960s, Mary Kay has been a fixture in the beauty business. The brand's consumer affairs evaluations, on the other hand, are concerning to say the least. There have been concerns concerning product compositions that are inconsistent and accusations of skin irritation and burning. However, many people have shunned the beauty and brand because of its business approach, not because of its goods. Although Mary Kay is technically classified as a mid-level marketing company, investigative journalist Virginia Soul-Smith wrote in Harper's Magazine, "A business in which only a select few earn real money, while everyone else pays, the place sounds a lot like a pyramid scheme." Mary Kay has been branded a pink pyramid scheme by the writer since the goods are mainly promoted to women. Number 3. Christian Louboutin Beauty. Although Christian Louboutin is a household brand, it may not be enough for cosmetic goods. Louboutin is a high-end fashion house, and the company's cosmetic product are no exception. For example, a 0.23-ounce bottle of eyeshadow costs $50. If lipstick is more your style, expect to pay $90 for a tube. That's a tough pill to take, and it seems that it isn't even worth it. Several tests have been done on the brand's products with all the concerns in the air. Tati, a makeup artist and YouTube star, with the whole Christian Louboutin Beauty Spring 2017 collection to test and offered her honest evaluation on her channel. It wasn't fantastic, to be sure, she stated of the brand's eyebrow pencil. No. After testing it, she conceded that the liquid eyeliner was not horrible, but she didn't think that the $75 price was warranted. Number 2. Versace. Versace was once the brand to be reckoned with. Clothes and accessories from this once timeless company shouted refinement and class louder than anything else. Of course, a lot has changed since Gianni Versace, the company's creator, released his first line apparel in 1978. Santo and Donatella, his brother and sister, and Donatella's daughter, Allegra, took over the firm after his death in 1997. In 2011, the Versace brand introduced a collection for the bargain retailer H&M, which may have been the first indicator that things were heading south for the brand. The range was a far cry from the luxury fashions for which it was formerly renowned. With prices beginning at $19.95, Versace's reputation may have been preserved if Michael Kors hadn't purchased it for $2.12 billion in 2018. And number 1, we have Louis Vuitton. Is there a luxury brand more legendary or overrated than Louis Vuitton? These bags are well known as a sign of luxury due to their high tag price. But other from signaling luxury, what are they truly worth? The markup on Louis Vuitton handbags is absurd. The New York Times found in the year 2000 that the manufacturing cost of Louis Vuitton bag is hundreds of dollars less than what they retail for. A firm spokesman said the estimate was incorrect but refused to share the actual manufacturing costs. That sounds a little bit fishy, and it is. The same spokesman said that the product development that is involved in its design is included in the price, which is simply a fancy way of stating that the corporation profits handsomely from each bag sold. Well, there you have it. The brands you should not bother looking at twice when shopping if you want value for your money. That marks the end of our video today. Which brand do you think is not worth the value for your money? And we didn't include it in the list. Please leave a comment. Until the following video, stay safe. Remember to subscribe to the channel, like, and share the video.